Do you want to shed those extra pounds and achieve your weight loss goals? Well, have you ever considered drinking aloe vera juice? Aloe vera juice is known for its numerous health benefits, including aiding in weight loss. But what is the best time to drink this magical juice? Let's find out. The best time to consume aloe vera juice for weight loss is in the morning, on an empty stomach. Drinking it early in the day helps boost your metabolism and kickstart your digestive system. It also helps in detoxifying your body and promoting better overall digestion. The natural enzymes present in aloe vera juice aid in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients more efficiently. This helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing your cravings and preventing overeating. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing sudden hunger pangs and snacking on unhealthy foods. Consuming aloe vera juice in the morning can also help regulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. The high fiber content in aloe vera juice acts as a natural laxative, promoting a healthy digestive system. Additionally, drinking aloe vera juice before meals can help suppress your appetite, making you consume fewer calories throughout the day. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, aloe vera juice can be an effective tool for weight loss. However, it is essential to consult your doctor or nutritionist before adding it to your routine. In conclusion, drinking aloe vera juice on an empty stomach in the morning can maximize its weight loss benefits. Give it a try and see the positive impact it can have on your weight loss journey. Stay healthy and happy.